Hello, what's up mga idol at bossing ko? Have a blessed day everyone. Welcome back sa panibagong upload. Marami na naman tayong mga bagong unit. Halos karamihan dito pasok sa mga budget nyo. Kaya sa mga kababayan kong naghahanap ng maayos na second hand cars, panoorin nyo to hanggang sa dulo mga bossing. Pwede nyo rin pong bisitahin ang aking Facebook account, Renato De La Toro Jr. Marami rin po tayong unit na nakapost doon. Alright, let's start. Pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, paki-like and subscribe naman po at isama mo ng notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Eto na pong mga unit natin. Ang una sa ating lineup, meron po tayong 2017 Toyota Fortuner 2.7G 4x2 automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer 60,000 km, price 880,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa mga naghahanap dyan ng SUV, meron tayong Toyota Fortuner. Makinis to, maayos ang pintura, original shiny paint. Check nyo ang interior nito, pristine interior condition, well maintained to ng may-ari. Smooth and responsive 6-speed automatic transmission. Meron na rin tong cruise control. Naka leather seats, pati sidings. All intact and in good condition naman ang interior, nothing to fix. Naka deep dish matting na rin po itong unit. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. Ang linis ng makina nito, naka Amaron battery, naka 2.7 liter gasoline engine that produces 163 horsepower at 245 Nm of torque. Guaranteed no engine issue, ready for long drive. Kasama po itong unit sa financing. Paki-check po ng competition, andyan po sa screen. Sasakyan mo na lang tong unit, makakapal pa naman pong mga gulong, nasa 90% trade life. Kompleto pong mga papel, ready for transfer at naka-registered to hanggang June 2025. Next unit, 2016 Ford EcoSport 1.5 Titanium, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer 80,000 km, price 360,000. Location Parañaque City. Top of the line na Ford EcoSport, formado na to. Naka Black Edition series na to. Presentable outside appearance, bagong ceramic coat. Naka keyless entry na to, push start button. Naka aftermarket Android touchscreen head unit. Ice cold aircon with automatic climate control. All power and all mechanism working po lahat. Elegant ang interior nitong EcoSport. Meron na tong panoramic sunroof, moonroof. Naka premium leather seat ang mga upuan nito, 5-seater ang capacity. Clean and fresh intact interior, wala pong pintas, labas at loob maayos. Under the hood, garantisadong wala pong issue ang makina. Naka 1.6 liter TI VCT gasoline engine that produces 110 horsepower at 140 Nm of torque. Sa mga interesado po, pwede nyo pong i-view ng actual para mas ma-appreciate nyo po siya. You can bring your trusted mechanic. Unli check, unli scan, unli test drive po tayo pwede. Next, 2013 Nissan Navara 2.5 LE automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer 78,000 km, price 425,000. Location Las Piñas City. Meron din akong sinamang pasok sa budget na pickup, Nissan Navara to mga bossing at idol ko. 2013 model to pero well maintained and well preserved unit. Smooth and responsive 5-speed automatic transmission, wala pong delay sa shifting, malakas sumatak. Under the hood, wala pong oil leakage, wala pong overheat history. Naka 2.5 liter diesel engine that produces 190 horsepower at 450 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit sa financing, plus check ng competition, andyan po sa screen. Sa mga cash buyer naman po natin, negotiable pa po ito upon viewing at free na po ang transfer of ownership. 2010 Ford Escape 2.3 XLS 4x2 automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer 80,000 km, price 245,000. Location BF Homes, Parañaque City. Meron din akong sinamang low budget na crossover type. All goods po ito, maayos ang pintura, maayos pong makina nito, maayos ang transmission at malamig ang aircon. All intact pa naman ang interior nito. Meron na po itong dash camera, naka touchscreen head unit. All power, working po properly, windows, doors and mirrors, gumagana po lahat. Malinis naman po at maayos ang mga upuan nito, dashboard, sidings. Maayos pa naman itong unit, used but not abused. Solid din ang mga pang-ilalim nito, wala rin po itong kalampag. Under the hood, no talsik, no usok, no blow-by. Naka 2.3 liter gasoline engine that produces 171 horsepower at 232 Nm of torque. Lahat po ng binablog po natin dito ay 100% not flooded unit at 100% no accident history. Lahat po ito sasakyan nyo na lang po, ready for long drive. Next, we have 2020 Nissan Navara 2.5 EL 4x2 manual transmission, diesel engine, odometer 52,000 km, price 720,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sinama ko na rin tong bagong dating na manual transmission na pickup. Goods na goods to. Wala lang akong kuha ng interior dahil nakatanggal po ang mga upuan nito, dinidetail po. Kasama rin po itong Navara natin sa financing. Ayan po yung complication sa screen. Well maintained to ng first owner, kaya sa mga naghahanap dyan ng manual transmission na pickup, best buy unit to. No issue, nothing to fix, just diesel and go. Next, 2012 Mazda CX-7 2.5L, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 70,000 km, price 355,000. Location, BF Homes, Parañaque City. Eto, another pasok sa budget mga bossing at idol ko, Mazda CX-7, baka may kursunada nito sa inyo. All stock, all original din to, multi-function steering wheel, meron na po itong cruise control, all power, windows, doors and mirrors, power seats, pati power retractable side mirror, working po lahat. Naka leather seats po ang mga upuan nito, okay pa naman po lahat ng upuan, wala naman pong damage, walang crack. Meron na rin tong rear battery cup holder, tsaka rear armrest. Check nyo rin engine bay nito under the hood, wala pang linis ang engine nito pero wala po itong oil leakage. Good running condition din ng engine nito, ready for long drive. Kompleto din ang mga papel nito, ready for transfer, LTO and HPG verified at updated po ang registration nito. Next, 2009 Toyota Corolla Altis 1.6V, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 105,000 km, price 278,000. Location, BF Homes, Las Piñas City. Sa mga naghahanap naman dyan ng low budget na sedan na may dating, etong Toyota Corolla Altis V variant, maayos na po at malinis ang interior nito, bagong upholstery po ang dashboard niyan, pati steering wheel, walang delay sa shifting, all power, working, malamig ang aircon nito, maayos naman ang kondisyon ng mga upuan at wala pong kalampagang pang ilalim. Under the hood, smooth and quiet engine, wala pong kapalag-palag, wala po tong oil leakage. Naka 1.6 liter VVTi gasoline engine that produces 110 horsepower at 154 Nm of torque. Pwede nyo rin pong i-avail to ng financing. Ayan po, pa-check ng competition, nasa screen. Best buy po itong unit, kaya kung sino man ang may kursunada nito, sigurado po ako hindi ako mapapaya sa inyo kahit magdala pa po ng sarili nyo mekaniko. Next, 2014 Mitsubishi Adventure 2.5 GLS, manual transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 77,000 km, price 390,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Meron din tayong Mitsubishi Adventure, ready for long drive din to. Maganda rin po ito pang long drive, matipid sa diesel, responsive, walang delay, 5-speed manual transmission, malamig ang aircon, naka-touchscreen head unit, naka-two-toned leather seat cover, 9 to 10 seater ang capacity nito. Under the hood, superb quality engine, no talsik, no usok, no blow-by, wala po itong overheat history. Naka 2.5 liter diesel engine that produces 136 horsepower at 198 Nm of torque. Available din po ito sa financing, paka-check na lang po ulit ng computation, andyan po sa screen. Sa mga interesado sa unit na to at para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa taas yung Smart and WhatsApp account ko po, or you can comment down below sa video, assist ko po kayo. Next unit, 2010 Toyota Innova 2.5e Sport Runner Edition, automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 101,000 km, price 468,000. Location, Parañaque City. Baka may kursunada rin po nitong limited edition Sport Runner na Toyota Innova. Well maintained din to ng first owner, pwede po sa maselo na buyer. All stock, all original din ito. All power and all mechanism, working po lahat. Naka-fabric seats, 7 to 8 seater ang capacity nito. Kaya sa mga gustong mag-upgrade ng SUV, pwede nyo pong i-consider to kahit 2010 model. Under the hood, naka 2.5 liter diesel engine that produces 134 horsepower at 200 Nm of torque. Excellent engine condition, no issue. Naka 17 inches alloy wheels pa yan at ang mga gulong nito makakapal pa, nasa 85% trade life. Sasakyan na lang din to, ready for long drive, just diesel and go. Next, 2019 Hyundai Rena 1.4 GL, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 47,000 km, price 390,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Ipakita ko rin to, baka may naghahanap dyan ng mas modelo na sedan. Meron din tayong 2019 model dito na Hyundai Rena. Smooth and responsive 4-speed automatic transmission, power steering na rin to, naka dual SRS airbag. All goods pa tong unit, pwede sa masela na buyer. Only 47,000 km lang pong tinakbo nito. Under the hood, naka 1.4 liter gasoline engine that produces 129 horsepower at 161 Nm of torque. Available din itong unit natin sa financing, paka-check na lang po ng computation, andyan po sa screen. Naka all-in low down payment na po tayo dyan. Sa mga cash buyer naman po natin, negotiable upon viewing at free na po ang transfer of ownership. Kung mayroon naman kayong mga existing unit dyan, pwede nyo pong dalhin sa shop para i-trade in. Next, 2022 Toyota Rush 1.5 GR Sport, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 19,000 km, price 820,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Sa mga naghanap naman dyan ng 7-seater MPV, ito top of the line series na Toyota Rush. Ang linis ng pagkaputi nito, naka-keyless entry na to, push start button, naka-touchscreen head unit with reverse camera and sensor. Well maintained to ng first owner, only 19,000 km lang pong tinakbo. Halatang hindi po masyadong dami damit. Kita naman sa itsura ng mga upuan. Perfect tong unit pang personal, pang barkada at family use. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. Naka 1.5 liter gasoline engine that produces 102 horsepower at 134 Nm of torque. Pwede nyo rin i-avail tong unit sa financing. Plus check ulit ng competition. Nandyan po sa screen. Lahat po ng unit natin, all goods po. Pili na lang po kayo dyan. Lahat po naman po ito condition ready for long drive. Nothing to fix, just gas and go. Next, 2019 Nissan Almera 1.5e. Automatic transmission, gas, engine odometer, 48,000 km. Price, 390,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Another 2019 model na sedan. Thursday po ang coding neto. Naka-register to hanggang August 2025. All stock, all original din to. Smooth and responsive. 4-speed automatic transmission. Clean and fresh, intact interior. Maayos din ang kondisyon ng mga pang-ilalim nito. Wala rin po tong under chassis noise. Under the hood, naka 1.5 liter gasoline engine that produces 102 horsepower at 139 Nm of torque. No talsik, no usok, no blow-by. Ready for long drive. Pasok din itong unit sa financing. Andyan po yung competition, nasa screen. Kung mayroon naman kayong inquiry regarding sa financing competition at requirements po ng financing, comment down below sa video at i-assist ko po kayo. Next, 2015 Ford EcoSport 1.5 titanium, automatic transmission, gas, engine odometer, 70,000 km. Price, 335,000. Location, BF Homes, Parañaque City. Another Ford EcoSport, top of the line series din to. 2015 lang po ito. Ang kanina, 2016 model. All stock, all original lang to. Multi-info display. Meron na tong phone connectivity. May auxiliary and Bluetooth ready. All power, all panel gauge. Working po lahat. Naka-keyless entry na rin to. Push start button. Meron na rin tong aftermarket dash camera installed. Naka-premium leather seats. 5-seater ang capacity. Clean and fresh, intact interior. All in good condition. Under the hood, naka 1.5 liter TI VCT gasoline engine that produces 110 horsepower at 140 Nm of torque. Malinis at makinis din yung 2015 model natin. Outside appearance, stock original shiny paint pa po yan. Mga gulong, nasa 85% trade life. Mayroon na rin tong fog lamps at mayroon na rin tong daytime running lights. Next unit, 2015 Toyota Corolla Altis 1.6V, automatic transmission, gas, engine odometer, 55,000 km. Price, 528,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Meron din tayong mas modelo na Toyota Corolla Altis, V variant din to. Naka-keyless entry na rin to, push start button, all stock, all original, pristine interior condition. Nothing to fix po ang unit na to, no issue. For more quality units, you can visit my Facebook account, Renato De La Torre Jr. Marami rin po tayong unit na nakapost doon. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may nakursunadahan kayo. At kung wala pa po dyan yung unit na kursunada nyo, just comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Marami pong salamat. Hanggang sa next upload, this is J Catskill Vlogs. Peace out!